Okay, real quick, just want to let everyone know that we just dropped a new line of merch. We are collabing with After Hours Supply Co. All of the merch is going to be on their website, so if you want to check it out, then head over to their website. It'll be in our description down below. This is the new design on a t-shirt. Here's that same design on a hoodie. And then we are also bringing back the pizza design. If you missed out on buying the pizza one a long time ago, then now's your chance to buy it again. The money raised from these shirts is going to go directly back into our channel, so if you'd like to support what we're doing, then go ahead and pick up a t-shirt or a hoodie or something. So everyone go check out the After Hours Supply Co. website, and hope you enjoy the rest of the video.
You did it wrong, Jeff.
Looks better already. You vaping?
I guess it takes 3 guys to put on.
We are at Evergreen Speedway. We're about to drift.
Jeff's going to get teched. Good luck, Jeff.
Thank you.
Hopefully this fucking shitty rattle can piece of shit box passes.
Yeah.
Yeah, nothing about that car is stock, you know? Did this piece together hunk of junk pass?
No, dude, I have to take out the mats.
Jeff didn't pass tech.
How?
4 mats.
Oh. We're gonna be able to get some good shots today because DJ is wearing a media vest.
Did you pass?
Yep.
Oh, cool. How's the body roll?
It feels fine.
Feels great?
Does it look bad?
No, I just like, does it feel like a lot less than before?
The car feels way better. Like
Hell yeah.
I should have spun out there, but I just like kept turning.
Hell yeah. All right, go for another one, man. I'll film it.
That's fucking awesome.
What up?
What up? Talk to him about the angle.
Oh yeah, what's up with that?
The fucking angle is sick, dude. I saw you over here, right here, and I was like, damn, he's about to spin out, but he was just like,
dude, I can't wait to see it on the 3/8.
Yeah.
So one of the many peaks of having this media vest here that you see is I get to be up here. But Chase has to be way down there. How's it feeling today, dude?
Good.
Dude, how's the new pavement?
It's really good. Yeah, it's so smooth.
Yeah.
That was my first time riding in it since the 2J.
Oh,
Besides the
since the 2J, dude.
Oh, 1J. Fuck. Besides the 20 pounds of boost time.
Oh yeah.
But that was fun.
Pretty spooky. Did you like it?
Dude, that was sick. It goes so fast.
Yeah.
I feel great. Trying to get the 3/8 down. I've been hitting it in 3rd.
You had it pretty good a few times, and then there's that one spin out.
Yeah, I'm getting too much grip, so I need to like flick it a little harder. But whenever I went up, then down, and I don't think I countersteered quick enough. So I just. Dude, full lock, just like, it's nuts. No, on my very last run, it was lock to lock. And then,
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, all you can hear is...
Yeah, there's like tire on the... In 3rd gear, I was like, usually I drop down to 2nd as soon as I transition into the infield.
Yeah.
But I had to stay in 3rd gear like all the way through the power alley and then drop to 2nd gear.
They're melting a zip tie.
Yeah, you should stay in 3rd for the whole thing. Just let...
Shout out to Lauren for giving me a ride out to the track so that I can film more. Let's fucking hotbox this Napa parts car. Dude, I'm gonna buy one of these. This is my new missile.
Oh, dude, the bus?
Yeah, dude.
Take it down. So I apologize to Jeff here at Evergreen for vaping in the car. I got in trouble. We were vaping in the Napa Auto Parts car. I don't know if it's actually for Napa, but I did get in trouble.
Sorry, Napa.
Out here, Jeff's killing it. The angle is wild, and this car's doing really well too. And this track is dope because they repaved it. They repaved the entire 3/8, which is like the biggest track that we run, and it's really nice and smooth.
Thanks for putting all these stickers on here.
Yeah, sorry about the window stickers there. I like how it looks though.
I'll try to hold it up. Oh boy! My bumper! Oh! Look at it! Oh my god! Dude, that's fucking tight! How's the damage? Dude, it looks fucking brand new. Oh yeah! That was a good run. Oh my god! Yo, shout out Fine Line Tuning for making the most solid body kit ever. Yeah, dude, we fucking slammed the wall. We hit it hard, dude. Oh, that was good. No. Slammed the wall pretty good. I know, I heard it. Dude, it's a good thing you pre-busted your tail light.
I know, it would have been donezo.
Dude, it's golden. We lost like 2
Golden.
Look.
You're so lucky you only hit your bumper.
It's perfect, dude.
Holy shit.
Shout out to Fine Line Tuning. We're about to put this bad boy back on and slam it off again.
They changed up the layouts. They're doing cageless tandems now. And the boys are gonna go out there and do some tandems, I guess. So I'm gonna get back up in this bird's nest and film it up.
Am I in the cut? Am I in the cut?
Oh, you're in the cut.
Oh.
That makes me so happy. Apparently, it's A class running right now, and both the guys are B class, so they weren't supposed to be out there.
You guys committed a track crime.
What's that? Dude, we thought they wouldn't care.
We thought they wouldn't care.
Because there's so little people here.
Yeah.
It's very cold.
I wouldn't know. I've only had bare hands on the camera all day. So how's the angle kit holding up?
Dude, it's fucking sick. It's holding up. Well, it's the best day. It's not broken. Yeah, best day of my life yet again.
We're waiting for our class to be able to go out to the cageless tandems, so we got a little bit until we go out. Otherwise, we can just drive the tech course, which isn't all that fun. So we're gonna just
When
wait.
you're sentenced to the tech course, you might as well just sit.
Yeah, it's like prison. There's a muffler just hanging. What up, Screams?
What up, gang?
Yo, what up? Got some good runs of you guys.
Oh yeah.
Now it's raining, everything's pissed.
Dude, it's getting. Before it started raining, did you see all that dust that was over there?
Yeah.
I kept understeering into that. Like,
Oh, really?
I got no grip in the front when I got over there.
I'm just gonna save battery on the camera because we only have 35 minutes left and just take pictures.
Okay.
I just saw a drop of snow land on the camera lens, so it's really, really cold.
DJ's feeling the effects of the elements.
I've been standing outside 100% of the day, even in a cozy car with a heater.
My wiper stopped working.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, that's a good day for it. So the day's kind of winding down. Everybody's a little too cold to drive, and they just changed up the layout again. We're back to, I don't know, something good. So Quentin's out driving again. He has no wipers, which is not good for this weather. But some good Samaritans gave us a bit of Windex. So we're, I mean, not Windex, Rain-X. So we're hoping that works out. It looked pretty good, but drifting in the rain with no wipers kind of sucks. Ooh. Alright, well, battery's pretty dead, so that's probably the last run I'm gonna film. So I'm gonna go on one quick little run with Jeff, and then that's probably gonna be the video. What up, Jeep? What up? Oh, he killed it. He's dead, so this is the last thing we can film.
Alright, well,
Ta-da! Really good view, I think.
yeah.
Jeff, your car looks alright. We'll find out on the drive home.
Not too bad.
Not too bad, could have been worse.
Straight up chomp. Fuck, I'm so sorry. It's all good, dude.
Bit of a collision.
Fuck.